Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including front side impact airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.